Good morning and welcome to Integrity Sales and Service. Good morning, folks. Today, John and I are here excited to get you a nice video of a new completed product. Folks, what you're about to view here in this video is an entire overview of a newly manufactured Canadian hopper bottom grain trailer. It's a Tritum Canadian SPEC'D hopper bottom grain trailer, and this sucker is built out of all 409 stainless steel sheet metal. Entire sidewalls, dividers, hoppers, slopes, and all is all 409 stainless constructed sheet metal. Folks, let's go ahead and follow John on around here. We're going to talk about the specialties of this trailer as we go and try to give you some great detail so that you know what you're buying if you want to buy one of these over the phone. We're here to help you in every way. Folks, this trailer is equipped with our ladders, catwalks front and back. Look at those. John's pointing them out. You can walk on those very nice and comfortably. And folks, it's built with our time-tested, stamped rib design and all solid welded construction. I'm going to come up close and John's going to point out and talk about that a little bit.
This is the stamped rib design. This is the solid weld construction. Every seam is solid welded. There's no patch welding, no caulking. Every seam that could possibly attract moisture is welded shut so it doesn't rust. That's the design that we've had for many years. That's why our trailers last so long. Again, it's the stainless steel stamped rib design. Underneath here, folks, I want to show you something. We have our solid plate underneath the trailer right above the wheels, so all that salt and grime and road junk can't get up in there. We all know the trailers rust out from the inside out. If we close that off, which we have done that for many years, it keeps that salt and grime and stuff from going up in there and rusting your trailer from the inside out.
Folks, with that, let's move on back here. Another nice feature is a full mud flap across the front of the suspension, or the front of the hoppers here by the dolly legs. Folks, flip around here. Take a look at these floors John was talking about. You can see here behind the fifth wheel plate there's a removable access door for accessing in the compartment for maintenance. Folks, with that, let's move on back. John's going to show you some more features around these hoppers.
Once again, folks, solid welded construction all the way through. That's a solid weld that goes all the way through. We also have hoppers we're going to show you on the other side. I'm not going to unfold them all for time's sake, but we have hoppers on this one. The owner requested that. It's all about you. It's custom built to meet your specifications.
Folks, let's slide on back here. This trailer is also equipped with another full mud flap between the hoppers. Folks, it's all about protection, protection, and protection. If you can keep the stone chipping away, the paint will last you forever. Just take a look at this beautiful looking trailer. 25-inch hopper to ground clearance. We have side doors on both sides. We have dual door openers on both sides. Take a look. You can crank it from either side. Come on back and enjoy looking at this. Full mud flaps across the front of the suspension as well. So we have 3 levels of stone chip protection on this sucker. John's going to point out these back floors as well.
Once again, folks, over every wheel we have the solid construction, the solid plate up in there, so all that grime and everything can't get up in there and sit and rot through the winter time. When you spray this trailer off, there are no cracks that are hidden. You can spray it off. It's clean.
Look at that. Folks, this is equipped with everything brand new except for the Air Ride Tritum suspension. It's on a late model, rebuilt Air Ride Tritum suspension, which saves you thousands of dollars and does not have anything to do with the performance of the trailer. Folks, it's on new recap tires all the way around. Look at those beautiful looking wheel ends. It cleaned up, sandblasted up just like brand new. You can see the evidence. When we talk about rebuilt, pop your head in there and look at those airbags, brake chambers. You can see the brake shoes in there. Folks, it's all here in one nice package waiting for your order so we can build you one just like it. Now let's back off a little bit and let you get a nice overview of the passenger side of this trailer. All sandblasted and painted white inside and out. Sherlock gray colored roll tarp on here. Come on around the back and John's going to show you some more features.
Again, here we have our catwalk with expanded metal for good traction. It's safe, it's durable. Also, the ladder is very accessible. One small step, you're on your way to the top. Here's our crank lock roll tarp system.
Take a look, folks. John's going to show you how effortlessly you can stand here from the ground, and even though this is a big, tall trailer, you can just simply stand at the ground and roll that tarp over. Look at that nice, smooth, effortless operation. You can lock it open or closed, just not in between. Folks, look at that. In a second, you got it open. Now, let's go up this beautiful, comfortable ladder and let you have a look inside. Come along. Okay, folks, now that we've safely made it to top, you can see what we're looking at here, folks, is a well-built, heavy-duty, constructed trailer. Folks, again, all this metal you're seeing on the inside, including the slopes. Look at the steps that go down the slope, up the hopper, and right up the center divider. So I can climb down the inside of this trailer and go from front to back inside this trailer. There's a nice ladder up there on the center divider on both sides of it. Steps down the slopes, front and back. All stainless steel sheet metal, boys. I'm telling you, I cannot emphasize enough. Including these tarp caps are stainless steel 409 sheet metal. Also, these tarp bows and the tarp water reinforcement pipes are all 409 stainless. Folks, with that, we're going to go ahead and head back down to the ground. Okay, folks, now that we've made it down here safely, let's back off, give you a nice rear end view of this trailer in the video. As you can see, we have all the required Canadian lighting on it as well, with upper and lower clearance lights. Come on up here and take a look. We have the standard required ABS brake system. Here's your indicator lamp right there. And as we move on up here, John's going to point out the suspension dump valve. Take a look. It's built right in here conveniently to the side of the trailer with a moisture-proof valve that's made to last year after year. Come on forward. It's also equipped with a weight monitoring gauge. John's going to point that out. It's built in here in a protective box, open only on the one side, so that you can see your load indication right there for the scale system. Boys, we're going to move on forward here. I'm going to back off and point out again at the top of these rib sides, folks. With the tarp open, you can see we have the aluminum paint guards up there to protect your tarp. There's 4 of those on the side, so that when you close her down and roll it over, it's not going to take the paint off your ribs. Folks, it's all about you and longevity that's went into this trailer. John, go ahead and demonstrate our doors.
Folks, this door opens with one finger. If you have your wife hauling grain for you, she's going to love it. You're going to love it. It's a patented design. It's flawless. Lasts for years.
Now, folks, we also have the equipped side doors that we spoke about earlier. Now, here's one where we've got the extension chute folded down. Let's get right up close, take a look, and you can see it with the door open. Works very nice. If you don't use it, you simply close it, swing the hood, swing the closure, the chute up as a closing device to keep all the moisture out, and it's just slick as ever. Let's step to the back here and I'll show you what it looks like in its closed, folded position. Here you go. You get a good look at that. There's a nice safety latch right here on the side that holds the chute up in its home base. Folks, with that, let's move on forward and take a look at our 50,000-pound 2-speed landing gears. John's going to point them out. Pull that crank out there, John, and show them how nice and smooth them 2 speeds operate. Look at that. I'm going to focus on that leg. You can see her dropping right down. You hear no gear train noise. There's no vibration. Folks, these are solid, heavy-duty landing gears made for this type of application. Folks, with that, let's back off and get you a nice, beautiful look along the driver's side of this trailer with the tarp open. You can see the nice, heavy structure beamwork top and bottom. Coming on forward, you can take a look at the nice, heavy-duty, custom-built ladder and catwalk in front as well as in the back. Boys, with that, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this video by expressing our gratitude for you watching this. I'm telling you, we appreciate your time and we love building hopper trailers for our customers. Please don't hesitate to pick up that phone now and give us a call at 260-238-5000 or visit our website, www.99trucks.com. That's the 2 number 9s and the word trucks. TRUCKS.com. Also our trailer website, 99trailers.com. And remember, we also sell and service tractors. Folks, if you need a package with a truck that you can trust is going to perform for you as well as our trailers, just give us a call, folks. We're here all about you to give you a package that's going to perform for a lifetime. Folks, give us a call now, 260-238-5000, and John and I are standing by to take your call now.